360 coming up. This was my first experience with a 360-degree camera. So rules for the ride, no microphone. Essentially, I was adding tech to the setup with this Insta 360, and I didn't want to complicate things more. It's important for me to note that my first goal is to ride and do it safely. So distractions with tech need to be minimized and implemented in a way not to take focus away from the ride. Otherwise, I set out to record the ride and get some more experience on the road. From the start, there were challenges, such as attachment to the bike or any kind of item that's in motion. Once I got it set up and made my way down the drive, it proceeded to fall off. The GoPro images, unfortunately, were taken in time lapse. I'm not sure why that happened, so that's what you're seeing here. The GoPro type attachments are really straightforward, so I'm not sure how I screwed the pin in and missed the holes. The extension I was using was plastic and it was bouncing everywhere. On the video, you can see some of the bouncing close to the handlebars, but overall, the image stabilization is kind of impressive. Now back to the ride. You know, earlier insecurity with stops and interacting with traffic have seemed to lessen, but I still have a goal to take it slow. I certainly feel more comfortable to take longer rides and go greater distances. I don't have an interest in the highway. With all of these views, just think about it. Who would want to go on the highway anyway? The Insta 360 has some great views, and the app, quite honestly, for editing and utilizing these images, it's very simple. It's easy to do. I picked it up in just a few minutes. The weather's been holding up outstanding for me in terms of rain and cold. The time change is coming up this week, and for the last time, I hope, I might add. Quick rant. If you want to remove a stupid and dangerous law, like daylight savings, why would you not enact the law immediately? Well, the Senate approved it unanimously, and now it's sitting in Congress and nothing's happening. Why wait until 2023? Fix it. Anyway, it'll be dark by the time I get off work, so riding's going to be limited, probably to the weekends. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, enjoy the ride.